Well, indeed, this is a very important occasion, and I think I want to use this opportunity to tell us that there was no any election as far as this party is concerned in South-South for Zonal Congress. I want to make this clear. Because the tenure of the Zonal Committee has expired, and we still have few weeks or a month or so to do the Zonal Congresses, we find it necessary to come up with this Caretaker Committee. And I believe from your choices, some which I have known and related with, I have no doubt that you will be diligent in your responsibility and usher in the new soon-to-be elected executive committee of the zone. So I enjoin you to be devoid of any partisanship or taking side, to be diligent in the execution of your destiny so that we will come up with an all-inclusive executive committee in the zone. I also want to use also this opportunity, since it's an opportunity for me to tell Nigerians that this party, the PDP, is still the party to be. A party that has been tested for 27 years, is one of the oldest parties. All these shenanigans you see around, the APC, the other, have not been more than 10 years old. And if you've grown up to be up to 27 years and still standing, still counting, then there is no any guarantee more than that. The PDP is a guarantee for Nigerians to change the course of what is happening today in our country. And I also want to use also this opportunity to caution also our leaders. Don't fear them. Don't give them any encomiums. Nobody is going to change your destiny for you other than yourself. I've noticed, maybe because of decorum, maybe because of fears, you find sometimes leaders encouraging this present administration at the center. I find it really very disgusting. And let's tell ourselves the truth. A PDP man should not inform any of this inquiry to any, in any way to this government. So please and please, please and please, I want to guide. Let's be up and doing. Don't fear anyone. Nigerians belong to all of us. Nigerians belong to all of us. So there's nobody who is a better Nigerian than you are. It's all an opportunity, but if you put your act together, the path is very bright. I will reach that destination. With this, I want to use this opportunity before I sit down so that I can shorten up the program. You can call on the caretaker so that I can inaugurate them at the same time, so you can move forward. At least your names have been you know.
Chairman Chief Emmanuel Ogidi.